Hello बच्चों, let us look into the question. The question says, in each of the following question, a statement of assertion A is given by corresponding statement of reason. Of the statements, mark the correct answer as. तो हमें इस पैटर्न में इनको मार्क करना है whether they are correct or not. हमें देखना है कि if both A and R are true, R is correct explanation of A. मतलब दोनों ही केसेस सही हैं. If both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. If A is true but R is false, if A is false but R is true. Let us look into it. So the key concept is polarity of DNA. Polarity of DNA. So whenever we talk about polarity of DNA, we are well aware of the Watson and Crick model, which states that the DNA are highly coiled and anti-parallel double-stranded anti-parallel genetic material. What does this anti-parallel means? Anti-parallel means, suppose this is the DNA and this is 3 prime and this is 5 prime. So this will be ending here 3 prime and 5 prime. That means two opposite polarity strands of DNA will get bonded with the other strand by hydrogen bond. By hydrogen bond, the nitrogenous bases will be joined and the ratio of purine is to pyrimidine will remain stable, will remain constant throughout this DNA strand. Now let us look into the option. The option says कि DNA has two chains having anti-parallel polarity, which is true. This statement is true. In one chain of DNA, at one end has free phosphate moiety, end of ribose sugar, and at other end of ribose has a free 3' OH group. Now we know that DNA is made up of deoxyribose sugar, which has a structure similar to this, and only at the third position it has OH. H, CH2OH, H, OH. This is deoxyribose sugar and here it is H and H. And at the place of ribose sugar, this 2' position consists of OH group, which makes it prone to mutation, and it makes the RNA or ribose sugar derived genetic material very unstable. And because in DNA, deoxyribose sugar 2' position consists of H, it is very stable and it creates a stable structure formed in the form of DNA. So this statement is wrong because ribose sugar is not the part of DNA. तो हम कह सकते हैं क्योंकि DNA का पार्ट which is, अगर हम बात करें न्यूक्लियोटाइड की, it is made up of phosphate, sugar and nucleotide bases, nucleosides. It is nitrogenous bases. तो जब भी शुगर की बात करें, in the case of DNA it is deoxyribose, in the case of RNA it is ribose sugar. So that is why reason R is wrong. So we can say कि A is true but R is false. इसका मतलब कि option C हमारा final answer है. Hope you all understood. All the best.